Are you getting tired of the same old Thanksgiving spread? What if your decorations could be as delicious as they are beautiful? I'm about to show you how to transform simple ingredients into a beautiful cornucopia charcuterie board, a true work of art that's as delicious as it is beautiful. As I was looking through some ancient ideal magazines, I saw a cornucopia made from bread dough. It didn't list a recipe or include instructions on how to make it. It was literally just a picture. So the other day, I decided to attempt it. You can make this dough by hand. Just remember to proof your yeast first and make sure to knead your dough for at least 5 minutes. I'm multitasking today, so I'm using a mixer. Start by adding 1/2 cup powdered milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 2 cups of very warm water, and 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast. And I'm going to start with about 4 cups of flour, mixing your dough as you add more flour, about 6 cups total. But add more if your dough is still super sticky. Don't add too much flour or your dough will be really heavy. Once you've added your flour, let this mix in your mixer for 5 minutes or knead this on your counter by hand for 5 minutes. Cover and let your dough rest for 20 minutes. Slice your dough up like you would cinnamon rolls. I finally got smart at the end and I literally rolled it like I would for cinnamon rolls. I used a roll of paper towels to get the opening of my cornucopia along with some heavy aluminum foil. Spray the aluminum foil with cooking spray. You don't want your dough to stick to the foil because you're going to need to remove it later. Shape your cornucopia and then ball up some foil to fill the inside of the cornucopia. Now just shape your dough around your aluminum foil. I did a little basket weave along the top. I'm sure you can do a much better job shaping than I did. I did use a little bit of the dough to make a braided opening. Bake in a 375-degree oven until golden brown. Mine took about 30 minutes, but keep an eye on it because no two ovens bake alike. About halfway through the cooking, I turned my cornucopia onto its side so that I could make sure the bottom dough cooked through. It did flatten that side a little, but it's okay. This tastes so good. However, the dough was a little heavy, so I had to use a large cup to prop up the inside of the cornucopia, and my dip bowl propped up the tail. Next time, I think I'll try a stronger bread, like a sourdough. I'll link my recipe for that below, or even some puff pastry, something either stronger or lighter. Even though I had to prop it up, it isn't noticeable, and this tasted amazing. Thanks for watching.